I just want to come to you and do a quick unboxing of my Strands of Faith, Living My Blessed Life Faith Box. So I ordered this late September, I think, and I wanted to show you everything that comes inside. So we'll go ahead and jump right into it. So here, that's my little invoice with a personalized note from the CEO and owner, Miss Amika Truly Blessed Coleman. A handmade oversized bonnet. Get into it, honey. This is reversible, so you can wear it on either side. The logo here on the front. We have the thank you postcard, and on the back, these are ways that you can tag the products in your posts. This is so cute. This is a mustard seed. This is a mustard seed, basically a reminder that all you need is faith the size of this little bitty seed, and it grows immensely. We also have pocket prayers, hair clips, mini hair detangler, also with the logo there. Have a detangling comb. This is great for in the shower, out of the shower, just detangling, period. Okay, wide tooth combs are great for that. Moving on, oh, this is the wristband. Living my blessed life wristband. And moving on to the products. Today is actually wash day for me, so I'm definitely gonna put these products to use. So we have the shampoo bar, and this packaging is everything. Like, it's packaged very well. And by the way, all these products are handmade, okay? We have, hold on, so we did the shampoo bar. Let's move on to conditioner. All right, so we have the Holy Grail Collection Intense Deep Conditioning Treatment. So this will definitely be used, of course, to restore more moisture. I can't even get my words out today. I know I need some more rest. For styling, we have Twisting Butter. And all these products are specifically for type 4 hair. Moisturizing Cream. This packaging is really nice, really cute. We have Styling Custard. Leave-in conditioner. Conditioning refresher spray. This will be good, like if you do wash and goes or whatever, and you want to bring those curls back to life, you will use this in order to just revive your curls and make your style last a little bit longer. And last but not least, in this box we have the Stimulating Sealing Oil. You see that? It stimulates roots, seals moisture, revitalizes to healthy hair. That's freaking awesome. And once again, all these products are handmade, and that's all we have in this box. Okay, this box is awesome. Of course, you can keep the box and use it to keep your products stored, keep all your Strands of Faith products together. You can find them at strandsoffaith.com, Instagram and Facebook. And yeah, so really quickly before I let you guys go, I'm gonna go ahead and open one of the products just to smell it, kind of see what we got going on here. Let's see. I'm opening this moisturizing cream. Uh-oh, it's already all right, let's see what we got here. Let's see. Oh, it smells nice and clean. It smells like nice and clean, almost like apples or something like that, like green apples or something. But let's see what this consistency. This is like a this is like a, feels almost like water, but you can kind of tell that it's really moisturizing. Let me see. Yeah, that's, and see how it soaks right in. So imagine it going directly into your strands to moisturize. That's freaking, that's good. Let me look at the ingredients for you. Ingredients: water. There you go. Very first ingredient is water, which is a plus. Okay, that's what you want to look for. You want to make sure water is one of your very first, no more than the third, but definitely if it's the first ingredient, then that's exactly what you want to help keep those strands hydrated. All right, so I am done with my unboxing. I'm gonna put this away until I get ready to do my hair. Stay tuned for another video with me actually demonstrating the use of the products on my hair. I'll probably do like a twist out or something, but definitely stay tuned for that. Keep the faith, and you can find more unboxing and also product use at hashtag SOF living my blessed life. Okay, all right, so y'all take care and we'll see you next time. Bye.